To reload your Wisely card, start by gathering the necessary information and materials. You will need your Wisely card, the reload amount, and a payment method. Ensure your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds to complete the reload process. First, log into your Wisely account through the mobile app or website. If you do not have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the Reload section where you can choose from various reload options such as direct deposit, bank transfer, or cash reload at a participating retail location. For direct deposit, provide your employer with the Wisely card routing and account numbers to set up the deposit. This method is convenient and saves time. For bank transfers, log into your bank account and initiate a transfer to your Wisely card using the provided routing and account numbers. To reload cash at a retail location, visit a participating store and let the cashier know you want to reload your Wisely card. Provide the cash amount you wish to reload and your Wisely card to the cashier. They will process the reload and provide a receipt as confirmation. When reloading your Wisely card, consider the fees associated with each reload method. Some methods may have a small fee, while others are free. Additionally, be aware of the daily reload limits to avoid any issues. Best practices for reloading your Wisely card include regularly checking your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds and taking advantage of direct deposit to avoid reload fees. It is also essential to keep your Wisely card and account information secure to prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps and considering the key concepts, you can reload your Wisely card wisely and efficiently. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your Wisely card and account to stay informed about any changes to the reload process.